Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to look at what a prime number is. So, for a number to be a prime number, it has to have two things. Number one, it has to be greater than 1. And number two, its only factors can be 1 and itself. So, now that we know how to tell if a number is a prime number, let's look at some examples. So, first of all, is 1 a prime number? No, because it does not satisfy this first rule. It is not greater than 1, so it's not a prime number. What about 2? Well, 2 is greater than 1, and its only factors are 1 and itself, because 2 times 1 is equal to 2, but they are the only factors. What about 3? 3 is also a prime number with its being greater than 1, and its only factors are 1 and itself. What about 4? 4 is not a prime number. While it is greater than 1, it has more factors than just 1 in itself. This is because 1 times 4 is equal to 4, but also 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So, it has more factors than just 1 and itself. It has 2. The rest of the numbers will follow this same pattern. All you have to do is look at these two things to tell if it's a prime number. So 5 will be a prime number, 6 will not be a prime number, 7 will be a prime number, 8 will not, 9 will not, 10 will not, 11 will. And that's all there is to it.